Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Frutiger Aero inspired mask on Dress to Impress, and you don't need any VIP items. So let's get started with the video. You'll only need a few items like this, and then this, and then this, and that. So like 6 items ish. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to get the mask and you're going to color it blue in foil. I use this blue, but you can use any blue that you'd like. You can use maybe like an ocean blue. I don't know. I'll use this one though. In foil, no adjustments made. For like the fishbowl thing, you're going to need this headband, the thick one, in white and in metallic. In the first toggle, position the Y to 0.25, rotate the X to 0.43, and scale it to 0. Then for the fish, we're going to go to this section, grab these bangs and color it orange, and then position the X to 0.55, Y to 0.37, Z 0.42, rotate the X to 0.53, Y to 0.65, and Z to 0.36, and scale it all the way to 0. For the seaweed, we're going to go to bangs and we're going to get these ones and color them bright green. This one. For the adjustments, position the X to 0.51, Y 0.4, Z 0.41, rotate the Z to 0.75 and scale it all the way down to 0. For the fins, we are going to use this bow over here, this one, and you're going to color it orange as well in the type 2 toggle. Position the X at 0.42, Y 0.3, Z 0.46, rotate the X to 0.46, Y 0.45, and Z 0.47, and scale it all the way to 0. Then we are going to need this microphone over here. Color it black for the eyes. Position the X to 0.56, Y 0.45, Z 0.32, rotate the Y to 0.6, and scale it all the way down to 0. Then for the bubble effect, we're going to use the seashell crown, color it the same as your mask, and toggle on the VFX. Position the Y at 0.29, Z 0.51, rotate the X to 0.45, and scale it all the way to 0. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!